Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Online Marketing 101 with Matt. Today we have another brand new software that we want to educate you about. The link to that software is just below this video. Click on it and even get even more information about the upcoming products. And mind you, um, there's some nice bonuses that I have created for you. So the link is very important. When you click it, you will see them all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more information about upcoming products. So let us watch the video and I will see you in a few minutes.
Spark is a powerful and functional productivity tool designed to help individuals and teams streamline their workflow. It features a user-friendly interface that enables users to easily manage tasks and collaborate seamlessly. With customizable templates and flexible organization options, Spark adapts to various project needs and methodologies. The integration with popular apps enhances productivity, allowing users to centralize their work in one place. Spark also offers real-time collaboration, making it easy for teams to communicate and stay updated on project progress. Users can set deadlines, assign tasks, and track progress to ensure projects stay on schedule. With its intuitive design and robust features, Spark helps users boost efficiency and achieve their goals. Overall, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and project management capabilities.
If you liked the video that you just watched concerning the product that is going to be launched, um, before we go, I just wanted to mention that the link is below the video in case if you want to buy it. And please feel free to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will get more information about human products. All right. So have a wonderful day and all the best in growing your business. Take care. Bye for now.